A bucket contains a mixture of two liquids, P and Q, in the proportion 7:5. If 9 liters of the mixture is replaced by 9 liters of liquid Q, then the ratio of the two liquid becomes 7:9. How much of the liquid P was there in the bucket? So let's say this is the bucket which has the liquids P and Q. Now P in this overall mixture of the liquids is 7 parts out of the total number of parts, while Q is 5 parts out of the total number of parts. And the total number of parts we can divide this whole mixture into is 7 plus 5, which is 12. So out of 12, P is 7 parts, and out of 12, Q is 5 parts. So let's say this portion here is P, which is 7 parts, while this portion is Q, which is 5 parts. So this is the portion below this here. Now if 9 liters of the mixture is taken out, right? So 9 liters of the total mixture is replaced by 9 liters of liquid Q. So first 9 liters of this whole mixture is taken away. So out of those 9 liters, again 5 out of 12 parts. So if you divide this 9 liters into 12 parts, 12 equal parts, then 5 parts of Q and 7 parts of P is taken away. So after 9 liters has been taken away, let's say the amount of P remaining is this much here. So this portion here is P, and the amount of Q also reduces. So this portion here is Q, and the total reduction here in the mixture is 9 liters. Now note that I am depicting these liquids as two separate portions, but in actual this is mixed, so you can't see these two separate liquids in this bucket. Now in this new liquid, again, out of the total liquid, if you divide the total liquid into 12 equal parts, then 7 parts is P while 5 parts is Q. And now this 9 liters of the mixture is being replaced by 9 liters of Q. So now we are adding Q, that is 9 liters. So then again the top level of the mixture comes here, but now this whole portion up to this is Q. So this part from here to here is P, and now the ratio of P is to Q changes, because P, the quantity has actually reduced, and Q, the quantity has increased. So the new ratio of P is to Q becomes 7 is to 9. So basically if you divide the total mixture now into 16 equal parts, then 7 parts is of P while 9 parts is of Q. So we have to now find out how much of P did we originally have. So let's solve this example. So here we have been given that originally P and Q are in the ratio 7:5. So the ratio of P is to Q is 7:5, and since this is ratio, we know that we can say that let the actual amount of P be equal to 7 times X, and actual amount of Q equals to 5 times X. Again, this is in liters and this is in liters. So basically when you take the ratio, this X and X gets cancelled and the ratio remains 7:5. Now 9 liters of mixture is taken away from this bucket. So now we have to find out how much of P is now remaining and how much of Q is remaining. So when we take out the 9 liters, how much of Q did we take out and how much of P did we take out? So in this 9 liters, again the ratio of P is to Q is going to be the same, which is 7:5. So if you divide 9 liters into 12 equal parts, then 5 parts is Q and 7 parts is P. So now for remaining quantity of P, so the original quantity was 7x minus, so how much of P was taken out? So the total is 9 liters and 9 liters we have to divide into 12 equal parts first. So 1/12 multiplied by 9, and then so here we get 1 part out of 12 equal parts of 9 liters and we want 7 parts out of this, so multiplied by 7. So this is equal to 7x minus 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 7 3s are 21, 21 by 4. So this is the remaining quantity in liters. Similarly, we have to find the remaining amount of Q. So the actual amount originally was 5x liters, so 5x minus, now again first we have to divide 9 liters into 12 equal parts, so that means 1/12 multiplied by 9, and then here we have gotten 1 part out of the 12 parts of 9 liters, but we want 5 parts, so multiply this by 5, so this becomes 5x minus, again 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15, 15 divided by 4 liters. Okay, so till now we have taken out the 9 liters of the mixture, and we know that when we take out 9 liters of the mixture, how much of P in terms of liters is remaining in the bucket and how much of Q in terms of liters is remaining in the bucket. Next what we do is we add 9 liters of Q into this bucket. So now the amount of Q in the bucket becomes 5x minus 15 divided by 4 plus 9, and P remains the same, which is 7x minus 21 by 4. So now what we have been given is, after we have added the 9 liters of Q, the ratio of P is to Q becomes 7:9. So remember, this is the ratio of P is to Q. So 7x minus 21 by 4 divided by 5x minus 15 by 4 plus 9 is equal to 7:9. So now we have to solve this for x and we'll get the answer. So I've taken out some of this portion here so that we can continue the calculation. So let's continue here. Or 7 4s are 28, x minus 21 divided by 4 whole divided by 5 4s are 20, x minus 15 plus 9 4s are 36 divided by 4, and this is equal to 7/9. Or, so we can cancel these denominators. 28 minus 21, 28x minus 21 divided by 20x minus, so 36 minus 15 is 21, so this will become plus 21 is equal to 7 by 9. So now we have to cross multiply. So 9 into 28, x is 252 minus 21 into 9, so 9 ones are 9 and 9 twos are 18, is equal to 20x times 7, so 7 twos are 14, so 140x plus 21 multiplied by 7, so 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. So or let's bring all x's on one side and non-x's on the other side. So 252x minus 140x is equal to 147 plus 189. Or so 252 minus 140 is 112x is equal to 9 plus 7 16, 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13, 1 carry over, 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3, or x is equal to 336 divided by 112, and this is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3. Now originally we had said that p is 7x while q is 5x. And x is 3, so p is equal to 7 multiplied by 3, which is 21 liters, and q is equal to 5 multiplied by 3, which is 15 liters.